Okay, so we're going to take a look at breathing and respiration questions today. So you need to have the respiration equations in your mind. And they want, for this first question, they want 3 reasons why muscles require more blood during exercise. Now, there are several answers to this, several accepted answers, 8 answers, I think it is. So think of the main aim of respiration. Okay, and aerobic respiration specifically. So why do your muscles require more blood during exercise? Well, when you are exercising, it's very simple that your cells respire more. Okay, so your cells are respiring more. Okay, and not only are they respiring more, they're respiring more quickly. And because they're respiring more quickly, that means energy is released more quickly. Okay, now that gives me 2 of my marks. Now, notice that the term more is important here. Okay, as is quickly. All right, so there's 2 points. Okay, and then for respiration to be taking place, one of the reactants of respiration is glucose. So your 3rd point can be that glucose is used up more quickly. Now, glucose isn't the only thing that's used up more quickly, so you could change that out to say that oxygen is used up more quickly or supplied more. You could also change it up and talk about the products. So a couple of other options would be that carbon dioxide, so CO2, you can write it like that if you want to as well. CO2 is produced, okay, or you can say it is removed more quickly. All right, so the key here is to talk about what's happening, okay? The other product that's formed, the other product that we have there is that water is removed more quickly. Now, you can remember all of this if you've got your equations, okay? Because if you've got your equations, you will remember what the products, what the reactants are, and what the point of respiration is. So that gives you 3 reasons. Now, don't forget that below this video, there are the links to the lessons on breathing and respiration if you need any additional help, okay? Question 2, explain why a person needs to breathe in more air during exercise. So this is going to be linked to respiration. If this person is doing exercise, okay, they are using muscles more frequently, more. Again, that word more, okay? They're using the muscles more, okay? They need more energy, okay? The more they are exercising, the more they're going to breathe in because they want the oxygen in. They want the oxygen in because there is a need for more oxygen as the oxygen is being used up quickly. Okay, so again, more, again, quickly as the oxygen is being used up. Okay, quickly or quicker. We like the as well. You could also say, so we've got using muscles more, you need more energy. A very simple one is the more exercise you do, this gives you a 4th point. The more exercise you do, the more your respiration rate increases. Okay, and if your respiration rate increases, you're going to need more oxygen because you need to release more energy. That gives you 4 options there and you need 3. The other one that you can say is you can refer to carbon dioxide and you can say that they need to breathe in more because more carbon dioxide has been produced. So there's more carbon dioxide to be removed. To be honest, these top 3 here would be the ones I would be looking for. Okay, and the final question that I'm going to go through with you is it's a 1 mark question. Okay, and they give you in the question the equation for aerobic respiration and the equation for anaerobic respiration, and they show you what's produced. So they show you that in aerobic respiration, glucose and oxygen react to form carbon dioxide and water. Now remember, they will release energy as well, and anaerobic respiration is the breakdown of glucose into lactic acid. And they say here, during anaerobic respiration, the glucose molecule is broken down into 2 molecules of lactic acid. So focusing on lactic acid. They're telling you here, less energy is released during anaerobic respiration. And then they want you to use the information in the question to explain why. Okay, so there's less energy being released. Now, there's 2 possible answers for this, okay? And that's that in anaerobic respiration, okay, glucose is only partially broken down. Okay, so it's not fully broken down. So less energy is released. Now, the bit I'm writing where less energy is released, you don't need to have. Okay, so less energy is released. That's a given because that's in the stem of the question, but you can put that if you feel that helps you. Right, the next bit then, the other option is that you could say that there is energy still stored in the lactic acid, okay, because it's not all been released. Right, I hope that helps you. And like I said, there are more videos to help you on breathing and respiration in the link below this video, okay?